Okay, so yeah, I'm recording this video. So in this video, I will tell you how to convert an array to an object and count the number of same occurrences in that array. So you or this line is quite confusing, so I should tell you what I will do here. So if I have an array like this, so if I have an array like 1 2 3 1 1 1 2. Okay, so here you can see that 1 is 2 times, 1 is present 2 times here, 2 times here, and 2 is present, 2 is also present 2 times here, and 3 is 1 time, 3 is 1 time, right? So you can see 1 is 2 time, 2 is 2 time, and 3 is 1 time. I will create an object like this. Obj, sorry. Wait. Right now I'm typing very fast. That's why it's happening. Okay, so I will do something like this. One, uh, one is present. One will be my key, and this two will be my value. Okay. After this line, I will wait. Let me, yeah, use proper syntax for it. Two is present two times, and three is present three times. Oh, one time. Right. I will create object like this. So are you ready to see the code? Okay. So let me make my array this only. I won't create a new array. This is my array, so I should write let. Yeah, I am initializing an array here. You can write const as well. It will work. Both will work fine, perfectly fine. Okay. So now I will use for of loop. Do you know what for of loop does for us? What that loop does for us? So let wait for let uh, key. Shall I write key here? So let key of array is equals to uh, I would like to console this key here to show you what this key is. So this key is the every value present in my array. 1 2 3 1 2. These are the these are the numbers in my array. I have created a number array here. So this key is this. So I will write a line here which is quite confusing. I will tell it to you clearly. You will understand it fine. So obj, wait, I haven't created an empty object here. Let obj is equals to empty object. Yes, I will insert some elements in this object. So initially I would like to create this object empty. Obj key. So if I print this obj key, there's nothing in this obj key. Okay, if I print this console.log obj key, wait, here I cannot do this because key is inside my key is a variable which will only work inside my for loop, not outside my for loop. Do you know what is scoping of variable? So key will only work inside my for loop. It won't work for outside for loop. So obj uh, key, if it found this obj key, it will print that. If not, then print 0. And whatever you are printing, just print a 1 with that. Just add 1 to that. If you find obj, then get the value of that obj and print 1 in it. If you do not find that obj, print 0 in place of that and add 1 in that. Okay, so let me, yeah, our code is complete, and now I would like to console this obj for you. See, I told you 1 is 2 time, 2 is 2 time, 3 is 1 time. This object which I wrote before writing this code, the object which I told you that your object will look like this. This is exactly the same object. Okay. So now I should tell you what this coding is doing here. So if I print object.key here, console.log obj key, you will get too many undefineds here. This line will give you undefined. Okay, and let me run this. See, this is undefined, undefined, undefined. Okay, and now this is giving me undefined. So if this undefined, then print 0 instead of this and add 1 with that 0. So the value of object first element will become 1. Now it will come to this 2. If now this 2 will come inside this object key, this 2 will become key of this object. And if this key is already present in that object, if object has 2 already, then print this value of this plus 1, else print 0 instead of this. This is this value and plus 1 in that. So I should write it, you will understand better. So I should console this obj key after this. Now now see, this object key was initially, wait, I will uh, not present, wait, not nit, not uh, see, initially nothing was here. After that, object key object key becomes 1, means my object was initially empty. After this line object key will become 1, because this 1, initially when I printed those key for you, this key was 1. After that, after the first iteration, this key becomes 2, then 3, then 1, then 2. Initially this key was 1, and this key will become object's key. And here I do not have any object key, I am setting, I have used this equal to assignment operator here. This will set this value in this as a value of this key of object. Okay, so it will set this thing as value of this key. So what is this thing? So if object is key is already present, means object 1 is already there, then uh, get that value plus 1. Okay, so yeah, if I do like this, object key is not there, object is initially empty, so nothing in our object, so it will print 1, 0 plus 1, which is 1. Okay, and after, wait, in my second iteration, and I will print this object key. So now object has one thing, what, 1. Okay, now if I print this now in second line, object key, so it will check object key which is 2 right now. So now our object will look like this, 1, our object is like this. I'm creating this object, I'm debugging this code for you, comma, 2. Now it will check object 2 is there, so now object has only 1, not 2 as a key. Okay, so object has only one, not 2. So it will, what it will do, it will uh, make this value 1, because it won't find 2 in this object. Object was initially empty, after first iteration object become this, it doesn't have 2, right? So it will print value of 2 is 1. In my third iteration, now our third iteration will go. In this iteration, I will get this key. My key is 3. Again, for 3 is same. This thing will remain same. I'm copying this because if I type this, video will go quite long. Now, our the efficiency of our code comes here. So now, this will check object dot one, object key. Now key is 1, and we had 1 already. Like you can see in our object, we had that 1, we have this. Okay, so now when this key will come, oh wait, our key is 1, and now it will check that object has 1, object dot key, yes it has 1. So it will not print the 0, it will print value of that key. Well, what is the value of that key? 1. Value of 1 is 1 here, so it will plus, it will do 1, and it will not do this code, it will only listen to this code and add 1 to this. So value of 1 will become 2 now. So now our code will look like this: 1 to 2, and uh, every rest of the thing will remain same right now. Okay, the rest is same. Wait. I'm copying this code. How our object will look like this after this iteration. Okay, so yeah, and after that 2 will come again. For 2 it will do same. It will check object has 2. What is the value of that 2? 1. So it will add 1 to it, and 2 will come here. Now 2 will change to 2. See, I'm clearing this, not this. I'm clearing this line. I'm clearing this not present as well. Oh yeah. See, and let me do one more thing for you. I'm copying this object, and I'm now forget this code. Now I'm writing basics, some basics of JS, object in JS for you. Wait, yeah. So this is my object now. I'm clear. I'm using a quite good syntax for it. Yeah. Now you can see this is my object. Okay, and I am what I will do here, for uh, let I of obj, and I will print what I will print here. Uh, console.log, wait, log. Uh, See what this code will do for me. Wait, of array. Wait. Array. Wait. What I was trying to do? Yeah. No. I'm not array. I. Okay, this is not working. Wait. I'm getting undefined here. Okay, so this won't work. Let me do one more thing. Console.log obj is 1. Will I get anything here? See, I'm getting the value of this 1. So here, when I did that this thing, obj's key, so it was taking obj's 1, and it was taking that value of 1 is 2. Okay, so it was giving it me 2, and 1 was added to that. Okay, and this code will work perfectly fine for string as well. So I'm undoing everything which was initially. So if I create like this, if I create my string like this, uh, abc comma abc comma bcd. So abc is 2 times here. So this will give me the count of abc. AB is 2 times and bcd is 2 times. Thank you so much.